First of all, God know why I never met me as a man. Because I not spend no bag of money on the body on the first day. I don't even know if I like you. I don't know if I like you.
So why men get a bad rep if he don't want to spend a bunch of money on a girl on the first
because
date?
Because keep on a date people who can't pay them rent. Like, that's why. When I look woman, we cannot afford the bills and what them have. And then not complain when them asking for money and asking for nice things. Them woman, they probably never yet going to one nice restaurant yet. They probably the nicest restaurant when them ever going to Benihana's. What you think I got happen when I ask them for the first date? Them want to go somewhere nicer than that. Them want to go root Chris now. You got to ask follow-up question because them girl try boobs. You know, listen, I two brother I have. I have no sister. No sister, and I refuse to make none of the girl treat my brother them like them a scrub. I refuse to make them treat my brother them like them a nobody when I go come to my brother them correct and I come to my friend them correct. Because enough of don't got experience nothing in life. When I look for the experience, I'm not gonna use my friend them.